Welcome, friends, to the circle of knowledge called Avi's Academy. You are at the right place if you are learning commerce, management, and economics at undergraduation and post graduation level, and if you are one of those who have thirst for knowledge. Under composition scheme, we have discussed that if a trader's or businessman's turnover during the previous year exceeds rupees 40 lakh, but if it is less than 1.5 crore, if he is doing a business in states like Karnataka, which are considered as normal states, then he is eligible to opt for composition scheme. But under certain scenarios, or for certain traders or businessmen, composition scheme is not applicable even though their aggregate turnover is within the prescribed limit of 40 lakhs and 1.5 crore. So, who are those individuals who are not eligible to opt for composition scheme even after meeting the criteria? So, that we are discussing in this video. GST registration, who cannot opt for composition scheme. Let us see who are the traders or businessmen are not allowed to opt for composition scheme. First of all, casual taxable person. Casual taxable persons are those businessmen or traders who do not have a fixed place of business. Generally, they move from one state to another and they sell their product in that particular state, and again they move into another location. They are like migrant traders. They do not have a fixed place of business. So these casual taxable persons cannot opt for composition scheme. Next, non-resident taxable person. NRIs are not allowed for composition to choose composition scheme. Next, suppliers whose turnover in the preceding financial year crossed 75 lakh or 1.5 crore. If a supplier's aggregate turnover during the previous year or preceding financial year crosses 75 lakh, in case if they belong to special category states, and 1.5 crore in all other states, then they cannot opt for composition scheme. They have to change from composition scheme to regular scheme if they opted for composition scheme in the previous year. Next, suppliers making any supply of goods through an e-commerce operator who is required to collect tax at source under section 52. Under section 52 of the GST Act, e-commerce operator or e-commerce aggregators like Flipkart are compulsion to collect tax at source. Whoever the seller or supplier, if they make any dealings or if they supply their goods through e-commerce operator, then they are not permitted to opt for composition scheme. They have to go for regular scheme, since e-commerce operators have to collect tax from the supplier before making the payment to the supplier of the product. Next, persons making any interstate outward supply of goods. So if a person or a trader, if he sells the products outside his state, then he cannot opt for composition scheme. So composition scheme, if he wants to opt for composition scheme, he has to restrict his sales to his own state. Within state he can sell, but between the states he cannot do any transaction if he wants to opt for composition scheme. Next, reverse charge. The traders on whom, or the manufacturer on whom, or the businessman on whom reverse charge tax liability is applicable, they cannot opt for composition scheme. Next, person supplying non-taxable supplies. If any businessman or person, if he is supplying a non-taxable supply, then he cannot opt for composition scheme. Next, this is where if a manufacturer is manufacturing certain specified goods as per government of India, like goods like ice cream. If a manufacturer is manufacturing ice cream, pan masala, tobacco, and manufactured tobacco substitutes, then in that case they cannot opt for composition scheme irrespective of their aggregate turnover. Ice cream manufacturers, pan masala manufacturers, tobacco and manufactured tobacco substitutes, they cannot opt for composition scheme, they have to go for regular scheme.
Thank you guys for watching the video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel by clicking subscribe button. If you want to share the video, you can share the video, because you can learn to share and share to learn. If you want to get continuous notification, click the bell icon there. And if you have any comments, doubts, clarification, please write here. Thank you once again. Thank you all.